Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy rolled hairstyle in under 1 minute. To start, pop the hair into a low ponytail, but on the last turn only pull it part way through to create a loop. Then using your fingers we're going to make a hole above the elastic band and we're just going to flip that loop up into that hole and start tucking it in. Make sure you tuck the ends in as well. Then push it towards the head and secure with as many bobby pins as needed. I always keep my bobby pins closed. Gently pinch and pull at the hair to loosen everything up a little bit. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.